Hi, third grade. How are you? Send me some pictures of you guys. What have you been up to? Send me some pictures of you guys learning, doing math and reading and stuff. I want to see. Okay, so if you are getting this video, that means that you should have completed um, the productive struggle, watched YouTube video part one and YouTube video part two. And you should have read through both texts and answered the questions. And hopefully you started your essay. I'm going to go over with you the essay, the first half. I wrote it for you and we can do it together. So I put it in my notebook that we got on that Redskins trip. Remember? I put it in my notebook. Okay. So here, if you remember how to write an essay, what comes first? And then what's next? And what's after that? Okay, well, if you forgot, I got you. So, your first step, you need your topic sentence. You remember, of course. And the trick with the topic sentence is what? I know Jabray knows. In many ways. So, that's the trick. I don't know if we get to use the trick today because our topic sentence is kind of tricky. But if you can find a way to use it, I would love to read it. So when you are done with your essay, take a picture, text it to me or email it to me so that you can get credit for it. Okay, let me keep going. So first, topic sentence. Second, you need to have your detail. And if you remember, Miss Murray used to mess that up. So your detail is just answer the question. There's no starter sentence. There's no trick. Just answer the question. Next, you have to have your text evidence. So don't forget that. Use quotation marks. And one of the starters for that is in the text it states. But we have two texts, so we're going to name the text, whichever text you're talking about. And then there's the after text evidence. Explanation. Good job. So, some starter sentences for that are this means or this says that. Then you do the same thing for the second text. So you do the detail, the text evidence, and then the explanation. Then you do the conclusion, and our starter sentence for that is in conclusion, and the trick is to put the topic sentence. So I wrote my essay. Oh my gosh, Miss Murray wrote an essay. All right. I wrote my essay in my notebook. And just to reread the question, write an essay describing the different types of magnets and explaining how both people and sea turtles use them in their daily lives. That's kind of tricky, like I said. To put in a topic sentence is complicated. So, I don't know how I would use in many ways, unless I broke it into two, which I did. So, I have 2 or 3 topic sentences. The first one is, people and sea turtles use different types of magnets in their daily lives. So, I just put it all together. I wanted to include everything. The second way I did it is I put it in 2 sentences. There are many different types of magnets. People and sea turtles use them in their daily lives. I don't like that one as much. But maybe yours are better than mine. Okay, so my first sentence, which is just the answer. People use bar and disc magnets to close things. Then I have my text evidence. In the text, Magnetism, Types and Uses, I put the whole title. The author explains the most common are bars or discs. Because they stick to certain metals, these magnets are used to fasten and latch things. And I put my quotation marks around it. This shows that, this is my explanation. This shows that without these magnets, people would have to find another way to close doors in their kitchen. So I did the first half. You should do the whole thing. But, and if you have a different reason, you should absolutely put it. Try not to use my reason. I just use paragraph 1. But you can use, I think paragraph 2 has some pretty good info in there about how people use magnets. It talks about like convenience, how magnets can be convenient in people's lives. But, you know. Okay. So after that, I have to go to my second text answer. And that means you need to go to the text about the sea turtles. Don't forget to put in the text title. Do your evidence, your explanation, your conclusion, in conclusion, comma, and then put your topic sentence. Hopefully your topic sentence is better than mine. So I'm just going to read straight through my essay again, just so you can hear it. Ready? People and sea turtles use different types of magnets in their daily lives. People use bar and disc magnets to close things. In the text, Magnetism, Types and Uses, the author explains, the most common are bars or discs. Because they stick to certain metals, these magnets are used to fasten and latch things. This shows that without these magnets, people would have to find another way to close doors in their kitchen. But that's just the first half. Then I would go to the second text, then I have my conclusion, then I get an A+ because I'm amazing. And so are you guys. And I'm so excited to read your essays. Okay? Love you guys. See you later. Bye.